Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best GFSC regulated forex brokers. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. The Gibraltar Financial Services Commission regulates the financial services industry in Gibraltar. The GFSC aims to protect consumers, enhance the reputation of Gibraltar as a quality financial services center, and promote good business. The GFSC supervises a broad range of firms, including auditors, banks, company managers, e-money institutions, professional trustees, and more. The organization further supervises investment managers and intermediaries, investment firms, and insolvency practitioners. Firms that wish to do business in or from within Gibraltar must meet GFSC standards and criteria, both at the application stage and on an ongoing basis. Beginner forex traders should always consider finding themselves a fully regulated, reputable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be going through some of the top 5 best GFSC regulated forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list is Oanda. Oanda is a globally recognized, fully regulated Forex and CFD broker that operates across 6 of the most credible authorities in Australia, the US, Europe, Japan, Singapore, and Canada. Oanda specializes in trading through Forex, indices, metals, and commodities. Featured platforms for accounts are available on the MetaTrader 4 platform, which is supported on Oanda's WebTrader, Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on standard and premium accounts, with up to 70 tradable Forex currency pairs, access to their web, desktop, and mobile platforms, 24-hour 5 days a week customer support, and more. Oanda also provides their very own educational resources and learning center, which delves into beginner introductions to trading, understanding various analytics and tools, a guide to capital management, guides in platform functionality, as well as a variety of live webinars that you can take part in if you are looking to expand your education with Oanda. At number 4 on our list is Pepperstone. Pepperstone is an online fully regulated financial broker, was founded in 2010, is regulated and supervised by reputable organizations with its head office located in Australia. This broker accommodates for various levels of traders. Whether you are experienced or new to trading, you will have the option to trade in over 100 different market instruments and over 70 currency pairs. Pepperstone specializes in trading through Forex, index CFDs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for live accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature standard and Razor 0.0 accounts with up to 10 base currency options, lower leverage, lower minimum account opening balance, expert advisors, and more. Pepperstone also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, a variety of helpful trading guides and courses, webinars you can sign up to or watch on demand, as well as their very own beginner's guides, which covers a variety of educational topics if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Pepperstone. Coming in at number 3 is Darwinex. Darwinex is a leading provider of technology services designed to help Forex traders sharpen their skills and enjoy greater trading success. The company was established in 2012, and it employs dozens of professional individuals with years of experience in the trading industry, specializing in trading through Forex, indices, commodities, stocks, and futures. Featured platforms are available on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, as well as virtual private servers provided by GFSC that offers traders ultra-low latency solutions. Their accounts are available on Classic, Stocks and Futures Darwin trading accounts, with access supported via WebTrader, NinjaTrader, and more, as well as Forex professional accounts. Darwinex also provides their very own educational section, which features a variety of educational trading videos, as well as a blog, which covers a selection of educational trading topics if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with Darwinex. At number 2 on our list is Easy Markets. Easy Markets is an online, fully regulated financial broker, which is recommended for beginner traders, is regulated by the SEC in Cyprus, the ASIC in Australia, and offers beginners enhanced risk management tools, fixed spreads on all Forex pairs, all on an easy-to-use Forex trading platform. Easy Markets specializes in trading through Forex, shares, commodities, cryptocurrencies, precious metals, and indices. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and the Easy Markets web platform and mobile application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on Standard, VIP, and Premium accounts with fixed spreads, lower minimum deposits, no commissions, over-the-phone customer support, a variety of trading safety and insight features, and more. Easy Markets also provides their very own educational academy, which features educational trading courses, their very own educational video series, as well as a variety of ebooks that cover topics such as technical analysis, trading psychology, guides in platform functionality, and more for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional education with Easy Markets. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best GFSC Regulated Forex Brokers, we have OctaFX. OctaFX is an online broker that was established in 2011 and is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority. Over 300,000 traders use OctaFX as their preferred financial broker, specializing in trading and offering services through Forex, Index CFDs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader platforms, which are supported on web-based browser applications, Windows, Android, and iOS operating systems. Their accounts feature MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader accounts, with floating spreads, lower minimum deposits, a variety of tradable market instruments, hedging, scalping, advisors, and more. OctaFX also provides their very own educational panels, which covers the basics to Forex trading, a collection of video tutorials, market insights and news, technical analysis panels, an economic calendar, as well as webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading education and knowledge with OctaFX. And those are some of the top 5 best GFSC regulated Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.